Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the MetaMask extension on Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, use the search bar to find MetaMask. Make sure you select the official extension to ensure security. Click the Add to Chrome button, then confirm the installation when prompted. This will quickly add the wallet to your browser. After installation, click the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar to open the extension. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Choose Create a new wallet to get started. Read through the terms of service and accept them to proceed. Next, you'll need to create a strong, unique password. This password will protect your wallet on your device, so choose wisely. This is a crucial step for your wallet's security. MetaMask will present a short video explaining what a secret recovery phrase is and why it's vital. After watching, you'll reveal your unique 12-word phrase. It is absolutely essential to write this down accurately and store it in a very secure offline location. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. To finalize the setup, you'll need to confirm your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will ask you to select the words in the correct order from a list. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is successfully set up and ready for use. You can now manage your digital assets and interact with decentralized applications. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the world of Web3.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.